true, so there's no problem. We grew up like this.
It's my very first time in Kurdistan in Iraq, and we were very happy that we were allowed to come. It's a beautiful country, and yeah, yesterday we arrived in Dahuk, and it was amazing. It wasn't so hot, and we went to the city in these huge mountains, and we were feeling at home. It was so green, and we were actually surprised how green Kurdistan is in general, and we really liked it. We sent it so many pictures to our parents, and they were like, "Wow, it looks like the forests in Germany."
So thank you very much for the great opportunities we have had. Yesterday we saw your country, the environment, the city of Dohuk, the university, and we had a really good introduction into the surroundings. Being in the north was really impressive to see all the history, the life at the moment, and I really thank you as well as my students.